Hello everyone, it's me, NYSEinstein from the New York Stock Exchange, the Einstein of Wall Street. June 3rd, Monday. Sell in May and go away. Could have been the right thing to do, but it surely would have been a rock and roll kind of a month. Because while yes, we are down from the highs of the beginning of the month, there were days where it looked like they were going to just keep going higher and higher and higher. We are on a roller coaster ride. It's plain and simple. What are we wrapping our hands around? Right now we're re-engaging the question of the Fed. Not if they're going to raise rates, but whether this sort of global slowdown, the economy in the US, and the problems and the implications of a Chinese trade deal are going to be affecting this market enough, and the economy enough, and the unemployment enough that in fact perhaps we may have to lower rates, cut rates. What a baffling question. It's so funny the way the read and the narrative on a daily basis that we can go from a crashing wild rally to correction territory, from raising rates because the economy is so strong and unemployment is in such great condition, to actually cutting rates from one day to the next. These used to be decisions. This used to be dialogue and headlines that would take months to digest, to understand, to comprehend, to enact. Now they're happening on a daily basis. Pretty wild. As I say on a regular basis, in this new world we're living in, we are only one tweet away from a 1,000-point rally or a 1,000-point sell-off. We are only one tweet away from a recession, depression. We are only one tweet away from correction territory or record-breaking closes. So when that is the case, it's really hard for me to tell you anything more than what I'm seeing and how you may want to react to it. Russell up 5, S&P down 5. We came in after a weekend where, as I said, we closed out the month. We were surely off the highs. We were probably at 2,900 earlier in the month and almost 26,000 in the Dow. We closed out the month at breaking below 25,000 in the Dow, breaking below 2,800 in the S&P. I don't even know what the number was in the Russell, but surely bearish territory, correction mode in the tech sector. Today we came in, the tech sector under attack by the FTC and the administration about regulation, and they got eviscerated. Google, Alphabet, Facebook, Apple, Microsoft down big. The market itself, while it sort of opened up an odd lot, sold off an odd lot, was green for the beginning of the day, decided to really break down. It's sort of in this channel where they're really feeling like if you can't buy them, you got to sell them. If you can't really sell them and they don't break, maybe it's time to buy them. Bullard came out, Fed, ex-Fed governor, I believe, or still perhaps one of them, came out during the midday saying, yes, he really believes we may have to cut rates. Bless you. Bless you. The market rallied but rolled over really fast. So no one, and then we don't really know if we finally get a Chinese deal, this market's going to rally huge. If we finally get rid of this potential tariff problem with Mexico, we may rally again. If they hold on to that and we get to chomp our teeth in the fact that we really aren't going to get a China deal, we're really going to go lower. So it's a day at a time, it's a minute at a time. These headlines are wild. It's whatever narrative you want to spin, whatever apple we're going to bite our teeth into. The China deal going through, yes or no? The Mexican deal going through, yes or no? Fed cutting rates or raising rates? The economy doing better or not? Global slowdown, global growth? Who the heck knows? Stop the madness. For today, Monday, the first trading day of June, we've had a wild and crazy ride. The market on my world flipped 3 or 4 times. You ended up rallying into the close. My gut on that was, you know what? Covering a short that you hadn't made? Probably not. They tried to break them on the sell side. They couldn't. So you know what? If I can't sell them, I might as well buy them. Lack of bad news today. People coming into the market, underinvested, figuring, you know what? We came with a negative posture. Dow is in fact down most of the day. why not take a shot and nibble away at the buy side? Anyway, that's for me. That's it for me for today. Inside Wirtschaft, the Einstein of Wall Street. We're going to take it up again. We've got wonderful, wild, and crazy days to come in June. I love you all. Inside Wirtschaft from the Florida New York Stock Exchange. I'll see you tomorrow.